Welcome to my channel, guys. In this video I will tell you how to fix Shein app keeps crashing. So please watch the full video. So let's get started. First of all, long press on Shein app. Now tap on app info. Now tap on storage usage, and here both clear the cache as well as clear data. Now app, and the next step is go to Play or App Store if you are using iOS. Now tap on search option in the bottom. Now tap on search bar on the top, and here type Shein and in OK. Now here you can see update button, so simply tap on update button to update this app to the latest version. This will fix the issue of keeps crashing the app. So hope this video will help you. Thanks.